Hey guys, the Mower today from Mark Supply Company to have for you a 2017 Kubota B2601 tractor loader backhoe package. This tractor has 781 hours on it. It is in good mechanical condition. It has some normal scratches and scrapes of a used tractor, but it is a nice package. It's going to have a BH 70 backhoe on the back of this with a 16-inch bucket, subframe mount. It's going to have an RCK 60-32 60-inch belly mower, LA 434 quick attach front loader with 60-inch bucket and skid steer quick attach, and it also does have a full set of 3-point hitch arms, and top link is with it. So it is a complete kit. It is a very good running working tractor. We've just serviced it. The guy primarily did a lot of mowing with this tractor. We did get through the deck, all new gauge wheels, new blades, changed all the filters and oils in this tractor. Does have the R4 tire package. We're going to start here underneath the hood, take it completely around this tractor. Again, this is a 26 horse tractor. This is going to be a B series, a B2601. Tractor starts and runs excellent 3-cylinder Kubota diesel. There is no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. Very clean under the hood. Again, it is a 781-hour tractor, but it is in very, very good condition. Sheet metal is good. It's not all busted, bent, twisted, anything like that. Front grill guard's in nice shape. Gentleman did have 2 holes drilled right here and had 2 front work lights on. I'll show you where that was at in a second. 60-inch front loader bucket. In good shape, good cutting edge. It is skid steer quick attach. Right here, you're going to have your 3-point hitch arms with top link. Front tires are going to be about 50%. Rear tires are about 75%. It is R4 tires. Deck, again, he primarily mowed. We did take the deck clear off and clear through it. It is a very good deck. We did do the service work to it that it needed. It is in good condition. Coming here to the back, again, BH70 backhoe with 16-inch bucket. Standard John Deere style controls on the backhoe. Backhoe is very good. It's not welded, busted. It's extremely tight. All the safety lock pins are there and in place. This does have the folding roll bar. I'll head to the other side. Braden, you go to that side. You can see up here at the operator station, seats in very good condition. Over here, you're going to have your full drive in and out, up and down for your mower deck. It's going to be your deck height right here where it's going to stop. Up here, you're going to have low, medium, and high ranges. Your PTO selection, PTO in and out. Got your boomerang pedal there for your forward and reverse, your treadle pedal. 781 hours. You can show them that, Braden. Tilt wheel, 4 ways, turn signals. The only bad part of this tractor, he had a switch mounted here, and he took it out for his lights, kept them for his other tractor. So there is a hole right there. Doesn't affect anything. I just want everybody to understand that and know that. I'm going to take this time, fire this tractor up. We're going to run it around. We're going to show you that everything works the way it is supposed to, and that way you can kind of see that. Here we go. We're running through all of its ranges, so low, medium, and high. Let's see here. Put it four-wheel drive out. So there's low range, forward and reverse. Go ahead and go to medium range. Go ahead and go to high. Again, this is a nice tractor loader backhoe package with belly mower. Mower deck, brand new blades, new gauge wheels, change gearbox oil, everything there ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and dismount the tractor. These seats, you're gonna pull a handle right here. It's gonna release it. You're gonna spin it around, and it's gonna latch in place. Obviously, I'm a bigger guy. I can hop up on here without any issue. We're gonna go ahead and pull our safety lock pin out. Backhoe is very nice, very smooth. Picks itself up under its own power without any issue. Pick itself up, swing itself. Now, we're going to take our locking pins in. We're going to grab our other locking pin right here. That's for our travel lock for our swing. We're going to jam it down in. There we go. So, we'll head down here now. All we got to do now is we're going to pull that pin right there, swing this back around, just like that, and we have it. Turn signals 4 ways, everything works the way it's supposed to. Guys, you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thank you very, very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day, guys. Take care.